Welcome to Gus Does This. We're going to make a dog bed. Alright, today we are making a dog bed. I got some PVC pipe, 1.5 inches. I got some type of material, canvas material type for like the awnings or something like that. I've got a pair of scissors to cut it up with. Got a drill with a Phillips. I got some little screws with a nice cap on them to hold the material down on top of the PVC. I got the 4 corners of the dog bed in PVC. Drill bit for pre-drilling some of the screw holes, and a hammer for hammering this frame together. Alright, so we got a PVC border, which we're going to cover in this material here. You need to figure out how big you need to make your bed, and then you need to subtract the difference on these corners where these are going to slide in. Don't make the mistake I did. Alright, and I'm just going to, rubber mallet would probably be better, but hammer works just fine. Get it seated down in there all the way. Alright, now here's the fun part where you got to try and keep things straight. But alright, there's our bed frame. Now, I'll probably add some smaller ones later, but for right now we're going to go with this. Just to make from feet where it sits up off the ground a little bit. But for now, I'm just going to start like this. Alright, let's cut up some material. I probably should have already cut this up. Here I got go in the middle. That way. Alright, you want these tight but not over tight. So if they're over tight, you'll strip that PVC underneath them and I'll just pull right out. Now here's where you need a helper. I'm just going to start folding this over. And I cut this a little long, but that's alright. Alright, pull it kind of tight right in the middle. Before we do that, let's drill a hole. Here, dead on. Alright, so that's a good start. Seems tight. Alright, so attached to one side here. When you get to the corner, you want to tuck it in. Make sure it's over top of this corner piece though, because we're going to screw in here in a little while. Just to double hold it down. Make sure you got enough material there to reach. Now here's where you need help.
You can help?
Here I go.
Alright, so. Screw it in.
Oh.
Alright.
I don't know if it's a hole.
Close.
There it is.
There it goes. Good. I forgot to shove that in there. Alright, good. Now,
Exit scene right.
Jump for the kick. There you go. Perfect assistance.
okay, that's pretty tight. But you're supposed to be able to now grab these. There it goes. And just turn them. And it just really tightens that up. Try this side. Nope. I think I'm going to be able to get a grip on this side. Nope. Alright. Let's try this just a hair more. All I'm doing is tearing up the bed now. Anyway, just pulled this down just a hair. Made it a little tighter. Drum tight. Now that it's tight, you don't want it to slide back as soon as the dogs hop on the bed. So now we need to put some screws in here, and that way it'll lock this into that, since we don't have glue on here. Alright, little girl, come on. So you're not going to have screw hole. You're just going to go right there. It'll.
Shouldn't it go on the inside?
It's not
What
going to
if this
matter.
rips?
All we're trying to do is connect this to this, and that only goes from there to there. And this is thicker, so it'll hold that screw better.
Help.
Alright. Good job. You're lucky you're dead now. We got all four corners. Alright, we have a dog bed.
Do we test it out?
And I think we're probably going to need to put some legs on this, because it sags down, and I think once they get all their weight on there, they'll probably touch the ground. So we need to raise it up a couple inches. But.
Should we get someone to test
All
it
right, somebody grab that camera. Let's go test fit this thing.
out? Come on. You ready for your close up?
Hey, get out of there. Not yet. I'll let you go in there in a minute. Just let you up.
Are you all excited? Anything going on over here?
Are you in your dog bed? Dog house? Come here.
Honey,
Ty.
did you feed the dog this morning?
I did not.
Okay, that's fine.
Please feed me.
Okay. We have. Yeehaw. Does it fit? Oh. I think there's feet on this. We're gonna have to slide it up. Get fast feet. And slide it back down. Yeah, we'll need to put some feet. No, actually, that's it. Hey, check it out. Come on.
Test it out. Get a treat. I need a treat.
Ella, come here. Come here. You go in there.
Moose, go.
Somebody go in there.
Moose, get in.
That's too big for you, though, Boo.
Go, Moose, go.
Hi, dog. Come here, buddy.
Ella.
Come here.
Can I get on top of it?
Boy. Ty. Oh, come on. Come on, buddy. Yeah, what do you think? What do you think? Huh? What do you think?
Dog tested. Dog approved.
Oh, yeah. Just gonna spin around and lay down and watch him.
Hey, Moose, you're ruining the angle.
Hey.
Look at him. He's so cute.